Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Coding with Dolly Sindhu. In this video, I will discuss about basics of computer and introduction to computer. Computer basics are very important. You will get questions in the interviews. So let's go into the video. So what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device which accepts data as input. Here data means input given by the user to the computer and processes it. What is meant by processing? Computer will perform arithmetic and logical operations. It processes the given data and gives meaningful information which is known as output. So computer means it is an electronic device. Electronic devices are nothing but devices which run with the help of current or power electricity. So father of computer is Charles Babbage. In many interviews, the question will get like who is the father of computer. So you should know that Charles Babbage is the father of computer. Here I am explaining you with an example. See, we are giving input and computer will processes that input and it will give output. Here input is given by user. User are nothing but us. We are users, right? We are using computers. We are giving input. Here next example is we are taking a juicer. In juicer we put some fruits and the juicer will crush it. Juicer is nothing but assume it as a computer and juicer will crush us and it gives output as juice, right? So computer will do the same job like the juicer. Computer will process the given input by the user and it will give the meaningful information which is nothing but output. Now we will discuss about the features of computer. Features of computer is nothing but the characteristics of computer. There are nearly 6 features of computer. First one is speed, accuracy, reliability, diligence, network capability and memory capability. Here computer will process the large amounts of data with lots of speed. Like suppose we give an input and within seconds the computer will give the output. So this is what computer will work. So coming to accuracy, computers are not only fast but accurate at the same times. It gives the perfect output without any errors. Reliability is nothing but computers are designed that it will do the same job number of times. And coming to diligence, computer won't be tired like humans. Humans will get tired within seconds, right? But computer won't get tired. Network capability means computers will exchange information with other computers and that exchange data within a few seconds, right? Coming to advantages of computer. Advantages are nothing but uses of computer. First one is easy for communication. Like if we send a mail within seconds, the mail will send to another one, right? Next one is entertainment. We can watch movies, we can listen to songs. And third one is security. Without our permission, no one can touch our computer. Like we will put a strict password, right? Fourth one is saves manpower, thus reducing cost. One computer can do 100% of job and it will never get tired like humans and it will occupy less space. Coming to disadvantages of computers. Computer is not self-intelligent and second one is its initial cost is high and third one is not everyone can operate. Like some people does not study, right? They won't operate. And fourth one is requires training. And the fifth one is still not in reach of common man. Some people does not know about the computers. And sixth one is vulnerable to virus causing theft and loss of data. Some data will be lost if we switch on any key, right? Sometimes we don't know and we will enter some buttons, then the data will be lost. And next one is access to internet to children needs close monitoring. We have to teach children so closely, right? These are the disadvantages of computer. Now let's go into generations of computer. There are nearly 5 generations of computer. The first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation and the fifth generation. First generation is from 1940 to 1956. First computers used vacuum tubes and they are very expensive and they use more electricity. And their size is also very large and it occupies entire room. it even generates a lot of heat. So second generation starts from 1956 to 1963. In the first generation vacuum tubes, they only solve one problem at a time, and also they relied on machine language to perform operations. But in the second generation, transistors replaced vacuum tubes. Transistor generates a lot of heat compared to vacuum tubes, and it leads to the computer damage. In the third generation, it starts from 1964 to 1971. In that generation, integrated circuits are being used. In the third generation, computers for the first time became accessible to all people because they were very small and cheaper than their previous generations. In the fourth generation, microprocessors are being used. These are very powerful and they are linked together to form networks. So it is led to the development of the internet. In the fourth generation, and they are also developed GUIs and the mouse also. In the fifth generation, it is based on artificial intelligence and it is in still development because there are some applications such as voice recognition and that are being used today. So these are the 5 generations of computer, and these are asked in interviews, so prepare it. Now let us discuss about classification of computer. Computers are classified into two types, like according to their size and according to technology. So according to size, computers are classified as supercomputers, mainframe computers, mini computers, and micro or personal computers. Supercomputers are most powerful computers and they are used for complex calculations, and their size is very expansive, and it is very expansive, so it is used rarely. Coming to mainframe computers, these support hundreds of thousands of users, and these are used in large companies where many users need access to shared data and programs. And coming to mini computers are smaller than mainframe computers. And these mini computers are easier to use. Mini computers are used as network servers and internet servers. Coming to microcomputers or personal computers. Personal computers are smaller than supercomputers, mainframe computers, and mini computers. And personal computers are less expensive than these three computers. Microcomputers have smallest memory and they will use less power. Example of personal computers are desktop computers. Till now we have discussed according to size. Now we will discuss according to technology. According to technology, these are divided into three types: analog computers, digital computers, and hybrid computers. Coming to analog computers will measure the voltage, pressure, speed, and temperature of a computer. Example, automobile speedometer. Coming to digital computers, these will perform mathematical calculations and it will compare values and it will store the results. And coming to hybrid computers is the combination of analog computers and digital computers. Example of hybrid computer is the desktop computer. So these are the classification of computers according to size and according to technology. Now let us discuss about the abbreviation, the full form of computer. Computer means commonly, C for commonly, O for operating, M for machine, P for particularly or purposely, U means used for, and T is technology, E means education, R means research. So computer means commonly operating machine, particularly used for technology, education, and research. It will use computer is used for technology like programming languages like C, C++, Java, and education also, and also research. For more useful videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.